Hello, my beautiful people. How are you all doing? It is your boy Godwin on this one again. Just like I have promised you guys, I'm going to continue the tour on the refinery till I make sure at least you get half of the tour, because this refinery is too big. It's too big to be toured on a day. So I only take it one section. I'm only going to take it one section at each. So bear with me while I make sure everything is concluded. Yes, today I'm going to show you one particular area that I have not even crossed. I was surprised I have never crossed this road since I entered the refinery. Can you see this? Can you see all these barrels? These are some things that worth millions of dollars. I'm telling you. Can you see all this? One day I'm going to come down from my truck and give you the proper view of all these things, so you see how large they are. This video now, I videoed from my truck, so I made this video in my truck, so it's not going to capture everything, but at least you can see something, so that when you eventually enter here, you won't be surprised seeing them. All right, I'm going to continue it very larger. The Otago, I'm going to continue. I will keep on showing you guys all these pets to get half of the tour at least. Thank you.